Fix your lead. So the middle. And then flower box, flower box, flower box. Next jump. Next jump. Keep going. Next jump. Where's your circle? Next jump. Outside eights. Outside eights to balance. Now look for your next jump. That's better. Much better. Fix your lead and then walk. Good.